The biomass index in Sector 4 is dropping. We need to adjust irrigation immediately.
Confirmed. The drone data supports the satellite readings.
Rerouting water flow now.
We have consistent spacing here.
Confirmed. The indicators are stable.
Look at the discoloration on this leaf.
Yes, the nutrient uptake seems stalled here.
Yeah.
Brick's reading is 22.5%.
Got it logged here.
Looks consistent with the last sample.
The sucrose levels are peaking earlier than expected here.
Yes, the biomass data confirms it. We should schedule the harvest for next week.
So if we adjust the rotation here on the map, we can utilize the favorable weather window coming up. This optimizes the yield projections for the quarter.
Unit 7, tires are good.
Copy that. Verify the seals on the manifest.
All green here, Supervisor.
Set the cutting height to 5. Proceed slowly into the first row.
Attention all combined. Zoom in on the new sector assignments on your tablet now. Mike team, move to the north end. Expedite harvest.
Move the chute left, it's backing up. Aligning now. Looks good, keep it steady.
Lane B5 is clear for departure.
Roger that. Send in the next 5 trucks now.
Reading 72.5%. Location B9, over to you guys.
Look at the saturation over the Rockies. We have a severe weather warning here.
Copy that.
Yeah.
Analyzing potential rerouting options now.
Affirmative on tire integrity and strap tension. The load is secure. We are clear to proceed.
Stop right there for the weigh-in.
Okay, you are good to go. Next one, pull forward slowly.
Ready, pull on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Watch the cable on your side. Keep it coming, angle looks good. Watch the far side, make sure it clears. All right, steady now. What's the status on truck 42?
Hybrix, confirmed high grade, directing to lane 1 now.
Check the pressure on manifold 3.
Holding steady at 980 psi. All green here.
The segmentation consistency is holding at 99%. Good.
Keep an eye on the moisture levels as the new batch comes in. See that? Another rejection at the main arch. Log it as a safety incident.
Got it. Documenting the removal now.
The temperature is holding steady at 88. Turbidity looks good. Noted.
Keep monitoring the flow rate. Check the boiler intake on screen 3.
Feed rate looks stable at 40 tons per hour.
The gauge is stable now.
Yes, the recovery rate is optimal.
Separation rate is steady at 98%.
Good. The yield looks excellent.
Dipping the probe now. Levels look consistent.
Confirmed. We are within the parameters.
The settling rate looks excellent right here.
Noted. The clarity progression is stable at 85%.
Reroute coolant flow to stage 3. We have a temperature spike at Nexus 4.
Acknowledged. Flow rates normalizing.
The flow rate is slightly low on the second effect.
Yeah, I noticed that. The temperature looks good though.
The flow rate is stabilizing right on target.
Looks good. The viscosity is perfect. The pressure is holding steady right in the optimal zone.
Confirmed. The crystallization rate looks good on the refractometer reading.
Are we maintaining the target torque?
Yes, the speed control is holding steady.
Look at the size of those facets.
Remarkable clarity. I'm noting the stirring speed now.
The flow rate is holding steady.
Good, good. Keep monitoring the temperature.
Purity levels are stabilizing right on target.
Good. Maintain the rotation speed.
Is the moisture level holding steady?
Looks good, right at the target.
Temperature is holding steady.
Looks good. We are within the target range.
Check the differential on the H12 line.
Reading 15 psi, within limits.
It cascades over these screens here, separating them precisely by size before the final cooling stage.
The purity levels and granulometry data are fully compliant.
Confirmed. The reports match the samples.
Very good. We can approve this batch for packaging.
Pressure stabilized at the new set point.
Confirmed. The flow rate is exactly where it needs to be for the packaging line.
The calibration is holding steady at 500.
Good. I'll pull this one now.
We have a misalignment on conveyor 7.
Rerouting the flow now. Anomaly cleared.
Defect categorized as oversized crystal.
Acknowledged. Documentation uploaded to the compliance server.
This centralized system really improved our sanitization scores.
Agreed. The 850 is performing flawlessly.
Temperature and humidity are within optimal parameters.
Confirmed. The levels look good across the board.
All systems checked and stabilized for transfer.
Confirmed. Engaging automated gates now.
Torque is set on manifold 4.
All right, initiating e-stop sequence. Clear the area.
System check complete. All green for packaging.
Looks like the adjustments worked. Everything is running smoothly now.
Yes, the alignment is perfect.
Code clear.
Confirmed.
Everything seems correct here. All right, confirmed. Print clarity is excellent.
Alignment is spot on. The logistics data is confirmed.
The grid pattern stability looks good on layer 5.
Confirmed. The load sensors are well within tolerance.
The tension is set right at the optimal level.
It looks like the path is clear to storage location 6.
Confirmed. The next pickup is ready at receiving.
Batch 5502 just cleared the gate.
Confirmed. Routing to Zone C.
Look at the deflection curve here at the 3-minute mark.
It's slightly below the threshold. We need to adjust the specifications for the next batch.
All seals intact and documentation verified.
The manifest matches the scan data, Supervisor. We are clear for approval.
Excellent. Let's get this stamped.
Channel 3, confirm receipt of Manifest 108.
Manifest 108 confirmed. Staging Bay 4 is clear for AGV access.
Acknowledged. Routing now.
All right, easy now. Watch your clearance. Bring it all the way in.
All right, bring it back easy.
We need that pallet scan now. Keep the line moving.
Did the Walmart shipment clear customs?
Yes. Manifested and ready for staging.
Reroute the Sierra Line pallets to dock 12.
Confirmed. Adjusting flow rate now. Here's the sugar. Matches the purchase order.
Scanning now. 50 pounds confirmed. Looks good.